Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brakey. Today I will be fixing a drain on this 2012 Mustang. Thanks for joining me. One of the common issues with the Ford Mustangs is the drain between the firewall and the cabin gets clogged up with debris, and then that backs up water into the inside of the car. So today I'm going to go ahead and show you how to fix that. Back along the firewall, we've got these little clips here. Just need to pull those out, and then we'll remove this plastic piece here. And behind this piece is the cabin air filter, and then the cavity where the water collects and is supposed to drain out down there. Alright, so now that I've got those out, this just lifts up and comes off. This is not going to be able to be done with one hand, I don't think. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there is actually standing water in this that is coming up onto the cabin air filter. So we need to get this drain unclogged so it'll drain out. And there's a little bit of water dripping out of that, and so that is the other part of the drain, and that just pulls off. And I should let some water out if I remove that here. And that is absolutely gnarly. That is so jammed up with crap. It dumped a ton of water out of there. You can see there's some leaves and debris that are back there. So this is just gross. So, and this is what gets jammed up, and then it doesn't allow it to drain. And then, oh yeah, you can see all the water coming out on the ground here. And then so that doesn't drain, and then it leaks into the cabin. That's so gross. Alright, I'm gonna go clean this out. Alright, so I've got that all clean. That's how it should look when it's clean, and you should be able to see through it. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back on the car. Actually, before I do that, I'm going to make sure that I get any other debris out from back here. And it would be a good time to change out my cabin air filter. I'm not going to put that cowl on quite yet, even though I've got that ready to go. I do need to get a new cabin air filter because it is pretty well destroyed. So I'm going to leave the cowl off of here. I do have to take this up to the parts store and then come back and button it all up. Okay, so I am back with the air filter, and that cabin air filter is right here. And it just pops right out, and this thing, it's absolutely filthy. It's also pretty wet. So we'll get this out of here, get the new one in. And this just pops right out of this frame. It's pretty gnarly. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in. Just clips in like that. I just need to put this little cowl back on top here, and we'll be done. I've actually got two different styles, and I don't know if this is factory or not, but this is the one that was on the outer side. Then in the one in the middle is actually two pieces. It's got the little collar and then the Phillips screw that fits in it. That one. There's that one. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, give it a share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching The Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.